Good evening, guys. Welcome to Videos Online Academy Tutorial. Thanks for watching our videos online. If you have not subscribed, please do press subscribe button and notification bell, and that's our update on this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through tutorial towards the preparation of November-December Mathematics GCE Waec, and here is some questions in section 1 that you might likely to meet in this upcoming re-exams. And firstly, the question here is basically on a competition. They say in a talent hunt competition of 35 artists, they indicated their interest in playing cymbal, saxophone, bongo, and out of the number, 24 prefer cymbal, 16 saxophone, 18 bongo, 8 prefer cymbal only and 2 saxophone only, and 16 bongo only. 4 play all the instruments, while 7 prefer cymbal and saxophone only. Now basically, if you see some question like this and we are given some set of activities that is being done, and some people take part in one and other take part in others, something should come to your mind. There is a question on what? Venn diagram. Question on Venn diagram. So let's jump into it. So the question says illustrate information in a Venn diagram. You can see illustrate information in a Venn diagram. So we have to illustrate this information in a Venn diagram. But the first thing you need to know that is that we have a total number of 35 artists, and 3 instruments are being involved in this competition. Number 1, cymbal, 2 saxophone, and 3 bongo. That is 3 circles. We are going to have 3 subsets. 3 subsets of a universal set of a group of artists. So when we are drawing, you must be able to indicate that. So, and the next thing we need to know is that the other information, but let's quickly jump into it and let's write the information out. So the first thing is I want to have information. Alright, so now the first thing is that we are given the number of artists, which is, I will call it number of universal sets, which is equal to 35. So, and we are given that they indicated that their interest in playing cymbal, saxophone, and so on and so forth. 24 prefer what? Cymbal. Number of cymbal, those people that prefer playing cymbal instrument is 24. Those that prefer playing what? Saxophone is 16. Okay, and those that prefer playing bongo is 18. So these are the 3 instruments played by the artists, and we are also told that 8 prefer cymbal only. So number of artists that prefer cymbal only, cymbal exclusively only. I will just abbreviate it like this: cymbal only is equal to 8, so as to save my time. But there's a better way of doing it if you want to write it in cell. So you can actually write it as C into bracket C N bracket C intersection S prime intersection B prime. So these are you write number of this, which is same thing as 8. So you can write it as something like this, or you can write it like this, depends on you, but this is the most appropriate way of doing it. So this and this means the same thing. And we're also told that 2 saxophone. So number of people that actually play saxophone only is equal to saxophone only is equal to 2, right? Yeah, 2. And then we have, I told you can write it another way around. If you want to write this one right out, this will go be N into bracket C intersection X, so C prime intersection S intersection B prime, so which is equal to 2. And the last one, you can do that on yourself, so I will just write it as number of B only, right, is equal to 6. So you can do that yourself and try and write it in form of this. So these are those people that play only single instrument, one instrument. That's what they mean by only one instrument. They play cymbal only, saxophone only, and bongo only. So now what other information were given here? We are given that was 8 prefer Simba only. I've already written. I said okay. Why 4 play all the instruments? Look at this. This is very, very important. 8 prefer Simba only, saxophone only, and then 2. Okay, they now say 4 play all the instruments. 4 play all the instruments. So number of people that play all the instruments, that is number of C intersection X intersection B, is equal to 4. Please take note of that. And then what I said, other things that is very, very important to take note. They said 7 prefer Simba and saxophone only. So number of people that prefer Simba and saxophone. So I write saxophone first, then Simba second, doesn't matter. Then intersection what? Bongo prime, that is excluding what? Bongo is not included. So X intersection C excluding what? B is equal to 7. So these are the information given to us, and then we are to illustrate this in Venn diagram using diagrammatic representation. So how do you do that? The first thing you need to do is to draw the what? The box, the circle, the square, which I will quickly do here. Draw here, draw the, I'm bringing the 2 circle here. So circle 1, circle 2, and then circle 3. So, and then you can put it in a triangle, rectangle. So bring this one closely here and enlarge it. So this is an example of how to draw a Venn diagram. So let's do a justice in labeling that. Okay, now I'm going to pick my writing instrument again. I will label the first circle to be C, which is Simba, and this one is bongo, and then this one is, let me give that one Simba. It doesn't matter which one you, I just want it to be according the way I have already written it. So this one is bongo is equal to, so now then the universal set outside here. So the universal set here is 35. Simba here is 8. Simba here is 24. Total number of Simba is 24. Everything in this arc should be 24. And then the last one should be the saxophone should be 16 according to what we have written out, and the last one should be what? 18. That is the bongo. So now don't forget they said C play Simba only. Okay, 8 play Simba only. That is the Simba 8 here. Yeah. So those people that play 8 Simba only is out here. This one from here to here is what those people that play Simba only. Why? Those people that play saxophone only is 2. Those people that play bongo only is what? 6. Very simple. And the other one is what? Yeah, that's what I just represented here. So now those people that play the 3 instruments, which is 4, this is where these 3 instruments meet. This is what? C intersection X intersection what? You can see they meet, these 3 circles meet at this point. So the first thing you are going to write here is to write 4 here. It's very, very important. That's the intersection. While the other is, the other one is going to give us is what? X intersection C. That is those people that play instrument saxophone and instrument what? Simba excluding B. So saxophone and Simba. This is saxophone and Simba, saxophone and Simba excluding this. So this is Z. This is where we have 7 here. So this is typically the information given to us. Now going to the, if this is A question, now we've successfully illustrated the diagram. Now the B question Roman figure 1. Roman figure 1. Let me put it in the small bracket. So they said only what? Look at this. Only the one that I cross here. Only 2 types of instrument. Only 2 types of instrument. To get only 2 types of instrument, look at this. This is very, very important. You need, let me give this a little bit of color. This is the number of people that play only cymbal and saxophone. This one here. So this is 2 instruments. This circle here is what we call 2 instruments. This circle, this instrument, cymbal and saxophone. That is 2 instruments. Another 2 instruments that you can see here is this one and this one. These are 2 instruments. Those people that play 2 instruments only. This part here. But we are only given 7. We don't know this and this one. In order to get the total number of people that play 2 instruments, you must add this number in this what together. But we need this. What you're going to do is that you are going to represent this as what? X and then Y, because we need to calculate the 2, X and Y. So, and how do we get our X and Y? It's a very simple question. So we can see that this Y here is located in cymbal, and this X here is located in what? It's located in, okay, this Y is located in saxophone, while this X is located in cymbal. Okay, so the first thing is that you add everything in this circle and you equate to 24 in order to get your X. So what we are going to get our X is that X, let me give it a space, X plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 must give us what? 24. We are looking for X first. The first thing is to look for X, because to get these only 2 types, you must add X plus, this is what we are looking for. We must add X plus Y plus 7. X plus Y plus 7 to get our answer for what? To get our answer for the question number 1. This will give us our answer for question number 1. This X plus Y plus 7 will give us answer 1 for question number figure 1. So in order to get X, I'm trying to add all these together. That is X plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 equals 24. So that's how I'm going to get my X. So 4 plus 7 is 11 plus 8 is what? Is 19. So we have X plus 19 equal to 24. In other words, X is equal to 24 minus 19, which is equal to 5. So I will do the same thing to get my Y. Look at this. Y is inside saxophone, so we add everything together as well. So we have Y plus another one that is 4 plus 7 again plus 2. This one, everything must equal to what? 16. So having done that, what we do next is to what? Add them together. So when you add this 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 7 is what? 11 plus 2 is 13, right? So Y will definitely be 16. When you take it, when you add this is 13 and take it to that side, it's going to be minus 13 here, which is equal to 3. So having gotten Y and S is 5, Y is 3. So add it to this. So your final answer here, our answer here will now be equal to 3, which, okay, X, let's solve for side here. From the 5 is our X, Y is our 3, then plus what? 7 here, which is, look at, we're adding this red. This is what I mean by this red here now. These are the only 2 that we get. That's 7 here for saxophone and what? And cymbal. For bongo and cymbal is 5, and for saxophone and what? Bongo is 3. So that's what we're adding together here. So 5 plus 3 plus 7, which has been given to us together. So this 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 plus 7 is what? 15. And if you want to know whether you are correct, you can do your what? Mathematics. 15 plus 16. 15. This 16 here. This 15 here is the what? Total number of people that are here. 1, 2, 3. So this exactly 2 is 15. Exactly what? Exactly, we'll confirm later, but take this one as an example, as answer for the first one. Then the second one is Roman figure 2, so that we're not to waste much of my time here. So Roman figure 2 is this. They say we should what? Be Roman figure 2. Only one type of instrument. Only one type of instrument. So only one type of instrument is this one. Exactly one type of instrument. This one in this circle here. So let me give it another color so that you can actually follow. So we have, let's give it this one and this one and this one. So they are exactly what? One instrument. Exactly one instrument. So to calculate exactly all the instruments, one instrument, exactly one instrument, it will just be the what? Let me just give it green like that. Green is equal to, the total green will be equal to 8 plus exactly 1 plus 2 plus 6. If you add them together, this is 16. And this is where I can say you can confirm your answer. If you are looking, okay, this is exactly only one what? Only one type of what? Only one type. Only one type of instrument. This one is exactly what? Two type of instruments. This is two type of. So if you add this exactly two type of instrument plus exactly one type of instrument, you are going to get 16 plus. I'm just confirming answer now. 16 plus 15 plus exactly what? 3. This would have played the 3 instrument plus 4. It's going to give us what? The total, which is 35. If we don't get 35, meaning something is wrong. So you can see that this is confirming our answer here. The addition of the 3 here is giving us what? 35. So meaning that this exactly one type of game, only one type of game, only one type here, only one here type, only one type here, which is 16, and exactly 2 type here, which is 15, plus exactly 3 type here of instrument is giving us 35. If you don't get that, it means your calculation is not correct. So that's that about question 1. Let's go to question 2. So let me just save this. So